Cool Kicks YouTube channel out in East LA. We got a Foot Locker outlet here. Let's go. And if you guys are new to the channel, this is the spot where you get 50% off everything in store. And that means $40 mellow ones right here. Holy crap, MB ones for $40. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen this colorway. I got mine for $30, but this is definitely the cheapest we've seen those. Westbrooks. I think these are the 0.6s, right? 0.6s down to $40. Kobe PE Iversons right here down to $50. Lakers colorway. Man, that's fire. Leather Chucks down to $50. Leather feels like hell. It's synthetic though. That Dunk Highs right here for $40. $40 Dunk Highs. Pretty decent colorway. People have been talking about the Comforts. $40 is pretty insane for those. People told me this has the most boost out of any Adidas right now. Just hella comfy, go for $40. Superstars go for $40 right here. Adilette slides, cheapest we've seen them for $50. That makes them what, 25? Got some All-Stars right here down to 20. And I got 3 more Chucks, all $20 a piece. GT cut, are these the 2s? Yeah, the 2s right here down to $80. Multiple colorways. And we got some more Comforts right here down to $60. People have been talking about these Comforts in the comment section quite a bit. And then also got NMDs right here, and then got RSX down to $50. That's all right. Have tons of apparel. Got t-shirts. Shows 15, but all these are going for $7.50, which is kind of crazy. I got Foot Locker shorts right here, as well as other Foot Locker brand stuff right here. T-shirts down to $5. It's the women's section back here. They also have a few kids sneakers in the back as well. Last time I came here, I showed a bunch of LeBrons. They had a bunch of LeBrons for $50, dude. They're all gone. Those are grade school right there. Women's Dunks going for $30. $30 freaking dollars. You do get a lot of resales that come here and buy up like a ton of really good sizes, so you guys do have to check pretty frequently if you want to grab some deals. Got some platform Chucks right here, going for $20 after a discount. Got a ton of Chucks right now. Got a lot of Chucks, all going for $20 freaking dollars. These are some platforms though. More Dunks right here, going for $35. Bocce's down to $25. Air Max 90s. I think these are the Futuras. No, I don't know. Yeah, $40 for those. $50 for these right here. Air More Tempo, $65 for these. Jordan 1 mids right there for $55. In the grade school section, $60 right here for the Silver Bullets. Jordan 6 lows right here. Grade school exclusive colorway going for $65. Do got some sales tables right here. And yeah, we're gonna start with over here. Do got some Reeboks. These are the question pumps, so $120. And like I said, it is 50% off. Got plenty of these, so you can actually see exactly what sizes. They have. They got a bunch of size 12, 13s out here. But $40, that's as cheap as it gets. Trey Young's going for $80, so that brings that down to $40. Top 10s. What New Balance are these? Oh, some Fuel sales. Okay, is this for basketball? Oh, these are trainers, my bad. Trainers, these are down to $40. Question mids, so you can see exactly what sizes they have. I see sizes 8 all the way to 9.5. Do got one of these right here, the Resto Mods, and we get the actual price, $80. I do not have one of these. I do not have these Gill Zeros, and I do like these, but I don't have this one. This is my size. This would be $40. I'm gonna pass on them though. I'm gonna pass. We got Converse, all the $20 Converse. We took a look at most of these already. And got RSX. These are $25, dude. $25, $50, and 50% off. What a steal! What a steal! And then Crocs. If you don't want to pay full price for Crocs, which is me, because my kiddo loves his Crocs, 50% off. 50% off. Got the slide looking things right here. Got the traditional Crocs right here. At least you get 50% off, dude. You should give it to. They even got the McDonald's ones, which is actually surprising. Size 12 though, size 12. I'm like, should I get my kid all this? Size 12 and 13. Don't have smaller ones. If you need a hide, you can have some camo ones right there. Back in the men's section, you know what? I see a bunch of stuff with no signs. I would ask about them because I doubt all these are regular price, 50% off. A lot of this stuff came from other stores because they weren't moving. So I wouldn't be surprised if this is like under $100 or well under $100 before the discount, because this is $170 minus discount would be what, $85. I bet you it's way cheaper. Like these, we just saw those on sale, but they're not even marked. So, you know what I'm saying? Do got the Jumpman Pros right here. Got some mids right there. Got a cheat sheet right here as well, if you're not so great at math. These Romas, I am such a fan of these Romas. They are really delicate, but they're super clean. Not good for wide footers though. My feet would like come out through the sides and stuff. Like I used to wear those all the time. Got them in black. Be able to get these for $35, even if it's 70. That's not bad. And some suedes too. Really can't go wrong with suedes at 50% off. They do have a kids Foot Locker attached to this place. This is not an outlet store. This is a regular kids Foot Locker, and then the Foot Locker clearance store, Foot Locker outlet, is on the other side over there. Things might change though. We'll see. And then right across the way, they do have Nike Community Store East LA. I'll look around a little bit. Limited filming because they be tripping, but we'll see. They do have ton of refurbs here. And you get 30% off all the refurb stuff. Look at this, $100 for those gently worn LeBrons. $100 for those. Metcons right here. $90 for those, like new. Invincible Run Flyknits like new. These are $108. So yeah, it's like $80. Zoom Fly Premiums right here, going for $90. These are also 10.5s. Nike by You Air Max 95s going for $95, gently worn. Size 10. This is a Chinese New Year colorway of the Jordan 38s. I've never seen these. $2 for those. Size 10, 11 low comforts going for $78. These are like new. Got some Air Forces right here, 75, gently worn. 88 for Air Max 97s, gently worn. Invincible Run Flyknits, $90. That's the cheapest I think we've seen those. Gently worn. What are these? A full box. Jordan 8 Hachimuras. Okay, these are hella small. They're like 6.5 or something. 5.5. Wow. Checking some of the bigger sizes. 95 for the Invincible Run Flyknit 3s. Those are gently worn. 90 for this colorway. Jordan 1 High OGs right here. Size 14 now, so size 13 for men's. 180 though. Huge Jordan series men's going for 45, gently worn. Run Next Nature, size 13, 85, gently worn. This is one of the only spots that has refurbished clothing. And most of it's just returned. $75 for a Nike SB jacket. Got Tech Fleece right here. $73. It's like $50 after a discount. Small right here. Jordan pullover right here. $58. Maverick shirt. This says extra small. $23. Doesn't look that small though. Okay. Then we got a large Nets hoodie right here. $48. Jordan fleece right here. $55. Remember, you do get 30% off all this, so pretty solid deals. UNC with the Obsidian sweats right here. $34. It does say slightly imperfect, so check that. ACG pants right here, $98. Some cargo pants. All right, man, we're gonna check out this Ross, man. Heard they've been popping. Let's go. Did I say popping like we out in like 1998 or something? What the hell? All right, I already see interesting stuff though. Curry 7s. These are a 11.5. Yeah, man, what are these, like 40 something? $55. Damn, I ain't seen stuff like this in a cool minute. Always find Vans at Ross. These are going for $35 for the old schools right here. Nice suede. Not a favorable colorway for me. Got some Reeboks right here. What Reeboks are these? Hex Rides. $49 for these bad boys right here. Okay, okay. Got some D Rose. Going for $45. A crazy colorway. And yeah, finally found these. See plenty of y'all finding these on social media. Everybody posting these on YouTube. Everybody posting them on Instagram. $50 for the Mellow. These are the twos, right? MB2s. Got a couple different ones. These are 10, 10 and a half. And even have a second colorway, size 11. Got some Bryce Harper cleats right here. Apparently he's with Under Armour. Not much about baseball at all. $23 seems hella cheap. Got some Crocs right here in a bright, colorful color right here. $25 for these. Got some Deviate 2s. Is that the name of these? Apparently uses Nitro Elite for the midsole. These are going for $40, dude. I have a feeling these are worth way more. Probably a really good runner. And then dude got some Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg up in this mug right here. $35. $35 if y'all trying to pay $125. These are like $125, $150 or something like that. But yeah, size 12 Snoop Dogg's. Okay. Oh, and those are Skechers too. I don't think I showed you guys what I'm wearing. Yeah, dude got New Balances on 574s. These are like corduroy and suede. I freaking love these. I think I paid retail. Like one of the only New Balances I've ever paid retail for. And I did stop by here after work, so jeans, t-shirt, got some Niners gear on. That's about it. I'm trying to see if they have any interesting balls or any other accessories. Not much over here. Do have Dodger pillows right here. Seem pretty dope. It says super soft. It's telling you to squish it. Okay, these are going for $15. Okay price. And then these Jordan bags right here. Is this a fanny pack? What is this? I guess it's just a little bag to carry stuff in. $15 for those bad boys. What's the original cost? I don't know. Oh, $35. Normally $35 down to $15. They got a couple different colorways. Moving on to the kid section. Grade school right here. Got some. Is this preschool or is this grade school? Yeah, I got some Air Max 97s. Denim color. This is size 6. It's like smaller for some reason. Yeah, $60 for those bad boys. That's way too much, man. Checking the women's section. I also did check the apparel section for men. Not really finding much. But I definitely check out some of the Rosses if you guys have one in your area and you guys like doing the searches. This video was kind of crazy. Man, Foot Locker outlet. Got tons and tons of stuff. 50% off. Dang, dude, just crazy situation. I'm gonna have to go there. I'm gonna have to go there pretty often, man. Nike outlets, East LA, or Nike Community Center, East LA. They always got a ton of good refurbished stuff. Make sure you guys go check them out. Not a big fan of the store, but I am a fan of the sales there. Refurbished stuff, that's definitely the spot to go. I think that's about it, man. That's about it. Make sure you help a boy, press that like button if you're new. Make sure you go ahead, press that subscribe button. And we're done, man. We're done. Got plenty coming. Hitting up plenty more stores. And we out, man. We out. See y'all.